So give us the story. How'd you get it?
My grandfather's car, won it on a raffle.
Really? He won this?
He won it for free on a raffle. It feels nice to have the two nicest cars in the whole group.
What?
Don't scuff the paint.
It's got a little sun damage.
That's called patina.
What are you doing?
Wipe your feet before entering.
Hello, little fella. Ooh. All right, so give us the story. How'd you get it?
My grandfather's car. He had it since he got it from since he worked at
Bill Hurd.
He worked at Bill Hurd. He got it brand new in '91. He went to a convention in Atlanta. He got it, won it on a raffle.
Really? He won this?
Won it for free on a raffle. He was there. He got it, drove it back, and we've been driving it ever since. How many miles has got on it?
119,000.
119,000 miles on it, and it's a '91. Been saying for 10 years. Finally asked Uncle if I could have it, work on everything. He said, yep, so got it here.
The moral of the story is Peyton's porn star name is Circumference.
I made that. We were driving, and Shay about fell out.
Sounds like a really shitty rapper from the 80s.
This thing needs to be hosed.
You just need new carpet.
No, it needs to come out.
Throw it all away, yeah. Or just bed liner the entire interior.
Yeah, I'd bedline it. That's what I told Bryce. This thing is freaking nasty. Ooh, what is that?
Bird poo.
Look, it's like.
Is it mold or bird
freaking frosting.
I wombo, you wombo,
He, she, me.
we wombo. The study of wombology.
Study of wombo.
It's wombology.
If you'd have known him, he'd had a lot of stacked up to the back of this. Like, you ever seen this 4Runner? Yeah, I mean, stacked up. Like, you can't.
It's a one-seating 4Runner.
I was gonna turn it on and make you a little video.
The radiator cap got launched.
What?
You gotta look in the daylight.
It got launched?
Yep,
Yeah.
you heard right. Don't steal. Stealing's bad. My sister does not believe in microwaves.
The lady that I dog sit for doesn't have a microwave.
Yeah, it's like she cooks
and,
everything on the stove.
I can eat, I microwave. After,
not?
leftovers?
Yeah. Like, what do you do with leftovers? And my sister's boyfriend's like, oh, you put it in the stove. I'm like, that's like a 20-minute cook-up time, bud. No.
What?
I want a snack there, Buckaroo. I'm not trying to make dinner. We looked up drag queen names. Like Eileen Dover. Oh, and Sharon D. Needles. I think Peyton's gonna rear-end someone. I'm going to merge into someone in traffic, and Bryce is gonna roll this bitch. Because I have no mirrors. Peyton doesn't give a about
And I
birds.
already done all that.
Holy
Just kidding.
One time.
at some of those. How many cars you totaled?
2.
2? How many dents?
That wasn't my fault. The guy backed up to me in the parking lot.